It is Friday, November 14th. It has been slow going on the camper because we have been working on that next left project, the sign for a Norwegian bakery. And right now, the only thing I think that we've gotten partially done is put up the curtain rod-ish track, whatever, for the mosquito netting. And I've got all my mosquito netting over here right now. Like I've said before, mosquito netting always makes me kind of think of our safari in Africa, some places in Sri Lanka where they surround your bed with mosquito netting at night, maybe even put a hot water bottle in there with you. So anyway, let me show you what this will look like with it closed. What is really cool about this setup is you can do it several different ways. This way you can cover just the front door, and that allows you to leave the entire door open, giving you more of a view out into nature. But there is more, because it will go all the way around so that you can encompass your bed at night. Hang on just a second. All right, imagine you're dining here. You've got the door completely open and you're behind all of your mosquito netting. This will also be where the bed goes. So when you've got the bed made out, all of your bed is going to be under mosquito netting. Now, it might not do a great job of keeping mosquitoes out. There's a couple of gaps here and there. There wasn't a great way to make sure that that didn't happen. But I think it's enough to give that romantic atmosphere of being behind the mosquito netting, like an explorer back in old. And here's the view from the other side. Doesn't that look cool? Just a haze of mosquito netting. And can you imagine it with the bed all made out? I'm really excited about this feature. I guess just because of my personal experience, but anyway, that is something that we got accomplished. I had to go through and sew on each and every one of the hooks to the curtains that I had made previously. Originally, one of these curtains was going to be here for the bunks, but because of how we needed to put the rail, because we still needed access for these cabinets to be able to come up. That's not fully attached yet, but anyway, we needed the track to be out of the way. So this is what we came up with, and it encompasses the door, which is really cool. Always an adventure?
Always.
Let us know what you think of the transformation so far in the comments below, and we will see you on the next project. That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.